Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where I break down Salsa and Bachata Moves. Like I said on the previous video where I do it only with music in the beginning, that it's very important to know some footwork, some isolation, because there's parts in the song that you don't have to dance continuously with the lady. You let her go, she does her own beauty styling, you do your own thing, you can imitate each other, play off each other, use the Guabango method and throw something in like a bacunao and she'll defend. So these are very funny stuff and nice, entertaining not to have them in your repertoire. So if you clicked from the music video, sorry for the background noise guys, I tried to make the videos at daytime so you get better quality. If you want to support this Patreon account right here or a one-time donation so I can get a good wireless microphone. Alright, let's get started now with what we did. We go for a basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, on 7 you tap, on 8 you tap. Then you go 1, twist your foot in. And then 2, you twist the foot on the heel out. And then twist in, you go on the heel, twist in, you go on the toe. So you don't get confused, first break it down like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just keep that foot going. After you're a little bit more used to that one, try to imagine your left one going tippity, heel, tippity, triplets. Tippity, heel, tippity. So that's how it works. Ba, ba, ba. Now I'm only focusing on my left. Tippity, heel, tippity. This one does its job. Now the next one's a little tricky. After you do your triplet, you're going to do a little hit on the foot. At the same time you progress, and then you're going to repeat tippity, heel, tippity, and another one, then one last triplet, and instead of hitting the foot the second time, you're going to expand your foot to the front, like that, left, right in a cross, so boom, boom, 360. If you like to check how to do faster spins, double, triple, or quadruple, I have a very nice video, it's in the info cards. Maybe I'll put it also in the description so you can find it. It's very nice. Let's do it one last time and progress. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now lean to the side and expand your foot as much as you can on the toe. Start shimmying and move yourself from one side to the other. Okay? Now we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have just touch, 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 touch. Make it a little bit interesting. We shake, we shake, we shake, we shake. Even more interesting, we can shake also the hips a little bit, or just do it in a funky way, whatever you prefer. There's the pachanga way, there's the cubano way, afro rumba, whatever suits you there. It's a very easy step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now from here, I can explain it as you step, you lean down. So you go qua, 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 step. Okay, so you're going left, cross behind, step back, and tip. Make sense? And then your right hand as well, if you like, you can just extend it out. Qua. And just play with it. Now we transfer our weight over the right and bend the left knee, and we're going to do hip, hip. It's actually one circle, but it goes from the inside edge of the toe to the outside edge on the left, and outside edge, inside edge, pop, and it gives you this. You can do it on both sides to practice. I picked this up from I didn't actually pick it up, I threw it into Boogaloo and Cha-Cha style. It really fits when you're going cha-cha-cha. Alright, enough of that history. So from here you're going to use this as a propulsion, as a preparation to turn and expand your left foot forward. You see, even one turn will get you off balance. Now I'm not going to cut it out. And why I bring this in is to do the moon slides. I'm going to bring this in. By the time my heel touches the ground, this one will slide to go back on the tippy toe. I bring it in, I push this down like a button, and it slides the other one. In, out, in, out. This is very nice. You can also do the shimmies. And the count goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Continue. 1, 2, 3. So you shake when you go to the side. 5, 6, 7. Then you cross diagonally, double mumble kick, step, step back, cross, bend the knee and do a rulo, and come into a body wave. You're like, whoa, 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 what about the timing? Okay, let's take it from the moon slide. 5, 6 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to cover that too. I went actually too slow. So when you kick here, pam, pam, step back, small round, you go up. So you're going to, as you come up, you're going to fall into your rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat the same foot and stand out with your right. Now you can see it from the video of the music. There I just went 1, 2 on the ball of the foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. At the same time, twist, 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 and back into your basic. Alright? Let's do it one time from the beginning, slow with count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't switch up the video. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, prepare. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment and rate. Support us if you like through Patreon or a one-time donation. The school are closed through coronavirus for 3 months, but at least once again there's a positive. I get more time to make videos and I have more time to respond to you, my dance friends, and solve questions and talk about everyday life, and that's really exciting. So it's nice getting to meet all of you. And if you also like, there's a new facility that YouTube opened for me, which is called the Join button. Give it a check. There's a video of me explaining you what it is. Be safe, be healthy. See you on the next video.